Hello moms, welcome to our winter vacation series. We are continuing our winter vacation fun with more activities to keep your kids engaged and learning. Today I have some creative hands-on activities that encourage fine motor skills and increase their patience level. Let's make this day a productive and fun one. Here are today's activities. Enjoy! For free printables, comment below. If you feel this video is helpful, then like and share this video. And to follow the series, don't forget to subscribe my channel Shino Kids. Thank you so much.